How have the judge's perception of the tech that you use in court and in hearings affect your case presentation and your ability to persuade?
I've had the opportunity to talk to some of the judges I tried my cases in front of, and their feedback has always been uniformly positive about the way we've done it, because it has two impacts on the jury. One is that it's entertaining to them, and two, it's persuasive. But why is it that it's those two things? Is because one, it shows them visually the story, and two, it makes sure that they don't waste their time. And what the judges and the jurors have told us about our presentations using iPad and the technology is that when you stood up, Mr. Milanfar, we knew that two things were going to happen. One, we were going to be entertained, and two, you were going to be efficient and not waste our time. And I've had a judge, the first time I used TrialPad in a direct exam of an expert in that trucking case I was telling you about, the court basically, after we were done, dismissed the jury for lunch, and the judge stayed on the bench and looked at me and said, that was a phenomenal presentation in terms of how you put that on. And a lot of it had to do with my expert and, how brilliant he was. But at the same time, the judge was acknowledging that technology incredibly enhanced the presentation for the jurors. And you are getting feedback from somebody who sees this all the time. And I've even had clerks and court reporters say to us, man, that was amazing the way you guys did that. And to me, these are folks who see this day in and day out. And if they're giving us that feedback, it's worth putting in the work to get that kind of feedback and result that we get.